We are in the middle of a snowstorm, and this is how the old Port of Montreal looks like, or rather doesn't look like. I'm filming from the opposite side of the river. That's the marina. Usually this year was very empty because it was 2020. You may see the well on the left side. That would be the cruise ship somewhere there. That's just a big ship over there. And Five Roses Flower Factory, the biggest one at least in Quebec. Bunch of Asian who came here to play, but pretty empty this park now. You can see the water started freeze. Sorry, but this year the weather was really mild, not very cold. And to the right, obviously it's snowing, so you won't see much. But while this is the tourist area, I hope you can still hear me from the wind. Over there, if you just check a map and drive on the Notre Dame street right towards the east, that would be far from the tourist area, you will actually find the bay, the ship area, port area, actually commercial place where you have big ships, and there's rails and stuff like this. You cannot really access the docks, but that's the commercial area of the old port, far away. And then you have the bridge, Jacques Cartier. Obviously the place is empty right now. It's Saturday morning, only a few crazy people. I really just like to go out and enjoy a little bit and get some fresh air, basically. I don't like to stay home too much. And you have this park here, which is a very nice place. I did talk about it in other videos. Pretty much packed with migrants. Not migrants like the migrants you see in Europe in camps, but the migrants usually maybe Arabs, Asian people that would come here and do a barbecue or stuff like this. Quebecers don't do much kind of those things in parks. And the nice things about this park is that you have a free parking there. It's about the only free parking here. Otherwise parking it's very expensive in these tourist places in Montreal. Thanks for watching.